Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find religious books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar, tap to the third button, the discover. And the browse all section, you can find the fourth row, tap to the third button, the religion and spirituality. New in this page, you can find the category section. For example, you can find different topics: atheism, Buddhism, Christianity, and others. You can find different books. You can save it for later. If you click to the bookmark icon, you can check the ratings and you can find a short descriptions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.